you tired of massive electricity bills every summer? What if I told you that you could reduce your AC electricity consumption by up to 50% without turning it off? In this video, I'll show you the exact AC settings and smart inverter hacks for 2026 that can save you thousands every year. Most people believe that setting the AC to 18 degrees cools the room faster. This is a common myth. It only forces the compressor to run at maximum power for a longer time. The real sweet spot is 26 degrees Celsius. For every 1 degree increase, you save approximately 6% electricity. In 2026, modern inverter AC sensors are designed to provide perfect comfort at 26 degrees Celsius while using minimum power. On humid or rainy days, avoid using cool mode. Instead, switch to dry mode. Humid air feels hotter than it actually is. Dry mode works like a dehumidifier, removing moisture from the air. This makes the room feel cool faster and allows the compressor to run at a lower frequency, saving a significant amount of electricity. In 2026, smart inverter technology has reached its peak. Always enable Eco Mode or Gear Mode on your AC. These modes limit the maximum power consumption of the compressor to 50% or 75%, reducing electricity usage without sacrificing comfort. Also, use your AC's mobile app to monitor real-time power consumption. If power usage is high, it usually means dirty filters or low refrigerant pressure. Never ignore maintenance. A dirty air filter blocks airflow and forces the fan motor and compressor to work harder. Clean your AC filters every 15 days during summer. Also, make sure the outdoor unit is installed in a shaded or well-ventilated area. Direct sunlight can increase power consumption by up to 10%. Small changes can lead to big savings. Try these settings today and watch your electricity bill drop next month. If you found this HVAC guide helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart cooling and energy-saving tips. Stay cool and save money.